Hello and welcome to HiWayFX market news for March 23, 2016. On Tuesday, the key currency pair Euro-US dollar has fallen to $1.1188 by losing over 1%. The euro currency was under pressure due to terrorist attacks on Brussels airport and a rush-hour metro train in the Belgian capital, which occurred late in Tuesday's Asian session, killed dozens and triggered security alerts across Western Europe. After a small rebound, the euro is continuing its fall. Currently, the euro-US dollar pair trades near the mark of 1.1180 by losing 0.5%. Other factor that affect the major pair is the Federal Reserve policy regarding increasing interest rates. As Reuters reports, Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker said late on Tuesday that the central bank should consider another interest rate hike as early as next month if the US economy continues to improve, and said he would prefer at least 3 hikes before year-end. Chicago Fed President Charles Evans said he expects 2 more rate increases this year unless economic data comes in a lot stronger than expected or inflation picks up faster than anticipated. The market learned Fed officials can support the dollar overall, and market is focusing on what they say after what Yellen said last week pushed it lower, said Kenio Ogino, director at foreign exchange research firm Global Info Co. in Tokyo. The resistance levels for euro are 1.1216 and 1.1258. The support levels for the euro-US dollar pair are following: 1.1174 and 1.1138. Yesterday, the British pound-US dollar pair tumbled to 1.4190 from 1.4400 by losing 1.5%. This morning, the fall has continued. Currently, the pair trades near the level of 1.4170. As Bloomberg notes, the pound posted the biggest decline among major currencies amid speculation the Brussels terror attacks boost the case of campaigners who want to see Britain out of the European Union. Sterling fell the most in a month versus the dollar, as the tragedy risked turning the UK currency into even more of a political football. Pro-Brexit politicians argue that migration leaves Britain vulnerable to attack, while figures in the opposing camp, including Prime Minister David Cameron, have said that being part of the economic and political union aids security. Sterling is clearly underperforming, said Valentin Marinov, head of Group of 10 Foreign Exchange Strategy at Crédit Agricole S.A.'s corporate and investment banking unit in London. It's on the back of a combination of factors, one of which is the concern that the tragic event could indeed support the campaign to leave the EU. The resistance levels for pound are 1.4197 and 1.4225. The support levels for the British pound-US dollar pair are following: 1.4150 and 1.4105. Currently, US crude oil found support near the level of $41 a barrel. On Wednesday, US crude oil price fell as the American Petroleum Institute showed US crude stockpiles rose last week more than expected, reinforcing concerns that the global supply glut continues unabated. Net supply in the short term should still be in excess, and thus brings us to believe that the current uptrend is unsustainable, said Phillip Futures analyst Daniel AMG in a note on Wednesday. The resistance levels for US crude oil are $41.20 and $41.80. The support levels for the oil are following: $40.70 and $40.20. To get more trading ideas, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Pinterest, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information on all the key financial news around the world, please visit our website www.hiwayfx.com. Thank you and have a good trading day.